Mr. Elon Musk has a huge impact on cryptocurrency market, as we all knew about Dogecoin and even some other currencies. He is the lover of meme coins, but now, as you all know, that crypto market is entering in every aspect of life, and in some years, as per my own idea, crypto market will everywhere. Meme coins are cool, and now they are moving entirely better and in awesome manner. In this video, I will share a meme coin which will surely take place of SafeMoon and Dogecoin in near future. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Elongate is opening the gate between crypto and charity through the passive transaction fees and active giving. The team is exposing charitable causes to a world of untapped capital and the crypto audience to a world of good. Right now, this token is available on the PancakeSwap exchange, Bitmart, and also it is available on the Dcoin exchange. It is a BSC scan altcoin. And secondly, in this video, we are going to discuss about the FEG token. It is available on both mainnets on the BSC and also it is available on the ERC20 mainnet. But some major things about the Elongate, that how it will work. The big thing about the Elongate, that the 10% transaction fee reward holders and donates the significant sums to the charity. For example, if you are going to hold some amount of the Elongate after this video, then on every buying and selling, every type of trade, you will get some extra amount of the Elongate. Holders don't need to do anything other than hold their tokens in order to earn rewards. That is a big thing about this token. Secondly, the community becomes the part of something even larger than itself. The team give directly, not just passively, and they inspire each other to make the world a better place. At this time, this token is available on number of big exchanges, and even they are planning to list the token Elongate on some more exchanges. And right now, they have a huge collab with the ZHC. So overall, as per my own idea, this coin will be huge in near future. It will even surpass the SafeMoon very soon. Secondly, it will even surpass the Dogecoin, but definitely it will take time because Elongate is a new cryptocurrency. As we all knew about the Dogecoin, that Dogecoin is not a new meme coin. It was created, I think, in 2013 or 2014 at that time. So already it take more than 8 to 9 years to reach this place. So Elongate will definitely regain the price, will definitely be the huge altcoin, but it will definitely take some time, at least 5 to 6 years, to at least remove these 4 to 5 zeros. So overall, it's a good pick if you are going to hold, and if you are already holding this altcoin, then this will be a good thing. Secondly, in our list is FEG token. So basically, what is FEG token all about? That is a big question. Already it is also available on the PancakeSwap, AppySwap, and even on some big exchanges like Hotbit exchange. But overall, it's not as much performing well like the Elongate. But still, they are working on something important, like the major thing, they are already burning number of FEG altcoins. Secondly, they are also working on some more mainnets like the Hiko chain, and also they are working on the Polygon at this time. So it will be a good thing, but at this time it is not giving as much free altcoins as the Elongate is giving on every transaction, but they are also planning for it, because I was checking out the EMA of the FEG team, and at that time the team member announced one thing, that very soon we are going to share some important news about the rewards on every transaction. So that will be a good thing. And already smart liquidity, with the ability for the users to utilize one-sided liquidity with add remove features, provide a more direct process for the auto liquidity adding and rebalancing. They are also working on the liquidity because they are giving every transaction fee to the liquidity. So at that time, at this time, the liquidity is working, and that is the big reason for the price, because at this time when the market is not performing even well, this altcoin is not as much down. As per my own idea, it is down only and only 1%. So it means they are just putting everything on the liquidity of this very token FEG. So what do you think about the price idea of the FEG token? Do let me know in the comment section. As per my own idea, this token will also be a good pick, but not now. It will take at least 1 year to remove these 3 zeros. And about the elongate, as I told you, it will take at least 1 year to remove these 4 zeros. So this is my price prediction. I'm not a financial advisor, and also every time I said one thing, that invest that money which you afford to lose in crypto. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.